Are your children okay? Okay.
Do they look okay, guy? He's asking if my children are okay. I told you I did 9 years in the military.
14-year-old son?
Close the blinds. Close the blinds. I'm not going in the house.
Are your
Close the
children
blinds.
okay, ma'am?
On a quiet Saturday evening, Officer Marler and his partner from the North Bay Police Department knocked on the soldier's door, claiming to investigate a welfare check about a 3-year-old child who allegedly ingested nail polish remover. Under the Fourth Amendment of the United States Constitution, citizens are protected against unreasonable searches and seizures, requiring probable cause for law enforcement to enter or disrupt one's home. Despite this, Marler and his partner failed to present any reasonable justification for their presence at the soldier's address, particularly since the individuals they were looking for did not reside there.
You know who that is?
No.
Who's your girlfriend or your baby mama?
The lady we just saw.
The lady
we
right
can
here.
see.
First of all, that's my wife, Marler.
Okay.
Marler.
Okay.
And who?
Kanama.
Who
So
are the other
who's
people?
this?
Can you go with the mother?
What's the problem?
So we're here on a welfare check. We have to make sure she's okay.
Why?
Because we received a call from North Bay for the incident that occurred earlier.
Look right there. Supposed to be investigative. Y'all investigating something. 9 years, U.S. Army. Now, what's the problem?
What's your first name?
I don't have to identify myself to you, do I? Am I under investigation? You want to tell me what's going on? Don't knock on my window.
Can you come out here?
No, she can't come out there. Y'all need to tell me what's going on. This is my house.
We told you. We're here for a welfare check.
Not the right address.
Oh, welfare checks or what?
No, I
Ma'am,
got it.
ma'am.
Y'all violating my rights right now.
No, we're
Actually,
not.
We're not, dude.
Yes, you are, because
No,
you're
we're
not
not.
telling me who that is. I just said it to you.
Listen to me, dude. We're not violating your rights.
You are.
How?
Because
Which right?
you,
which civil right are we violating?
why are you raising your
We're
voice?
not.
Upon making contact, Officer Marler disrespected the soldier by addressing his wife as a girlfriend or baby mama, which immediately created tension. Marler escalated the situation by raising his voice and responding aggressively when confronted. Under California Government Code, Section 1031D, law enforcement officers are required to display good moral character and maintain professional conduct. Instead of de-escalating, Marler's behavior deteriorated, leading to further confrontation with the soldier who was merely protecting his rights and family.
Not violating
Why is he
anything.
raising his voice?
Okay.
Why is he raising his
So
voice?
we are here
Are
on
you
a
threatening
welfare
me?
check.
I can go inside my
We
house.
are here on a welfare check.
Already, I don't know what that
Well,
means.
Stop talking. Let me talk.
I don't have
Over
to stop
a child
talking.
that
Okay.
ingested
Right.
that ingested
Why is he I don't like him.
a person
He's raising
that
his voice at me
ingested
right now.
or nail polish. Okay.
Okay, so we're
We come here. Your
to
baby's
check
right
on
there.
Okay,
We're
Your wife.
I'm gonna talk to
you.
you. First of all, you fucking came to my house and say, "Is that my girlfriend
Okay.
or my baby mama?" That's my wife. So
Okay.
that's disrespectful starting off.
All right, sir. So
That was disrespectful starting off, and,
Okay,
and then
I
he's raising his
understand.
voice at me.
okay, I understand.
So now I can raise my
So
voice,
look.
right?
So, no, you can eat a dick.
What's his problem?
Okay, okay.
Nah, I need your badge numbers. I'm sorry.
That's fine. I'll
I'm
give
sorry.
you my badge number. But so the reason we're here is to
Now
make
you're
sure
telling me the
somebody
reason
is
after you told me to
okay.
eat a dick.
Sir.
So you told me to eat dick, right? Marler,
I messed up. I apologize.
now that you on film, you messed up.
No,
So
you
you can record.
record.
haven't violated any of my
So-
rights.
no,
The
sir.
first thing you said to me coming here was,
So,
"Is
sir.
that my baby mama or my girlfriend?"
Sir,
Then he
so
started
we
raising
were
his
called
voice
to
at
call
me.
from North Bay.
Pause. I need your name and your badge number.
Officer Kanama, 107.
Thank you. I need your name and your badge
Officer
number.
Marler 102. We received.
He
a
said
call
he's not
from North
violating
Bay.
any of my rights.
Okay.
Yeah, he
So
came
we
to
wanna
my
make
house
sure
and
the kid
said,
is okay.
"Is that my baby mama or my girlfriend?"
We wanna make sure
That's
the
the
kid
first
is
thing he
okay.
said to me. Then he's raising his voice at me.
The officers acknowledged that they were at the wrong address after extensive arguments, but Marler refused to take accountability for his disrespect and unprofessionalism. The soldier, ex-veteran with a degree in criminal justice, repeatedly highlighted the lack of investigative diligence in their actions. Under California Penal Code, Section 147, officers are liable for oppressive conduct or abuse under the color of authority. Despite recognizing their mistake, the officers failed to apologize meaningfully, leaving the soldier and his family feeling targeted and disrespected.
For my girlfriend.
We wanna make sure
That's
the
the
kid
first
is
thing he
okay.
said to me. Then he's raising his voice at me.
We want to
Ma'am,
make sure the kid is okay.
We're here to check on a female. Okay?
Is your child okay?
Did you-
What's your name?
Did you or did you not tell me
Is
you
your
did?
child okay? Did your child?
You don't want to answer because that's what he said to me, Marler. And she's at my window. I told you not to go to my window. Close the blinds.
Do you have a 14-year-old son?
Close the blinds.
Hold on, sir.
Close the blinds.
Sir, do you have a 14-year-old son?
Close the blinds. Close the blinds. I'm not going in the house.
Are your
Close the
children
blinds.
okay, ma'am? Are your children okay?
Okay.
Dude, that can look okay, guy. He's asking if my children are okay. Who the
Okay.
fuck is that?
Okay,
What are y'all talking about?
We're gonna leave now.
Give me one
Why? Because I
second.
got to eat? That's why you leaving now?
We're gonna leave now. I don't know who a 14.
My family was here all day. We had a good day. You're here telling me to eat a dick.
It is. I don't know who the 14-year-old is.
Okay.
I don't either.
Second.
I told you I did 9 years in the military.
Okay, we
You told me to eat
appreciate
a dick.
this.
So good.
Okay,
Thank
give
you
me
for
a second.
telling me to eat a dick.
Please,
After I
please,
fucking served
walk
you
away.
for 9 years. How about
Marler.
you get the fuck off my
served as
property?
well.
Marler.
I don't give a fuck. You are probably a piece of shit. If you served and you telling
Okay.
people to eat a dick, you probably was a piece of fucking shit.
All right.
You can get the fuck out of here. That's what you can do, Marler. You eat a dick.
Okay, let me explain because we may
He
have
said he
been.
told me to eat a dick.
Can I explain to you?
You guys, listen. I need you to come down so you're not scared.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
You're right.
So
All right. I got it.
we got a call.
Now,
I was
after all
trying.
of that,
We
now
were
she's
trying to
telling me what
explain from the.
happened. She's okay. No.
Did you go to North Bay today?
What the is that? Get in the house. What are y'all talking about? Nobody knows what y'all are talking about.
Well, you're not letting me explain.
You never explained. You started asking questions. He said, "Is that my girlfriend or my baby mama?"
Okay, I apologize for that. Okay, I'm here to clarify. So, address correct?
That is this
Okay,
address.
so it may have been a miscommunication between North Bay and our dispatch. So we got a call that we needed. Okay, a 3-year-old was brought into the hospital because she ingested nail polish remover. Okay.
We don't know anything about any of that.
And that is absolutely fine. So this just got a
know,
little out of hand.
But you don't come to somebody's house and say, "Is that your baby mama or your girlfriend?" You
Right,
wait,
and I
eat a dick.
understand. I completely understand
You're
that.
supposed to be
It was
professional.
I'm trying my best to be
And
professional.
you're doing fine. But
Okay.
that guy, I don't know what the fuck side of the bed he woke up on.
Okay, I understand, but
You
so
don't come to
he's
somebody's
leaving.
house and disrespect them like that.
I completely understand.
I don't know what the hell y'all talking about.
That's why I had
Put
him sent
yourself in
away.
my shoes. 2 cops knock on your door. Boom, boom, boom. I'm in there having a good time with my wife.
Okay.
Of 5 years.
They are
Who I have now
Okay.
scared.
Okay.
You probably scared them. They don't know officer friendly yet. You knocking on my window.
All right.
Okay, I got it. Okay. And then you come here and,
Well, you're
and tell me
raising
about
your
your
voice.
investigation. I tell you that I have military experience. Guess how many investigations I have under my belt? I identify myself as a military person.
Okay.
Then y'all asking what my name is. I said my name is right there on there.
Okay, but we need so. Like
But you,
I said, we
you're
got called
explaining
here.
what you're explaining to me now, but you didn't start off like that.
That's because. Okay.
I got you, but this needs
So-
to be put in the notes. We used to call it an AAR, after action
And that is
report.
fine.
I don't know if y'all do AARs.
You have
but
our badge
this
numbers.
ain't cool.
Okay, you
Yeah.
have our badge numbers.
But
you
that's,
can
come on. That's all bullshit. Do I really want to go through all that?
I don't know.
Do I
It's up
really
to
want
you,
to go
sir.
through all that?
But
I know.
if everything's okay, I'm trying to settle this so that we can leave.
know.
And that you don't have a bad taste on us.
It's not settled because he told when he left. That's just so it's not going to be settled.
I asked him to walk away so that me and you could have
I
a
know, but he walked
conversation.
away on his own after he told me to eat it, and you seen it. So how
Okay.
do you fix that?
That was
You can't
inappropriate.
fix it. He can fix it, but
Okay,
he's
would
an
you like-
asshole or something, so he's not going to fix it.
Okay, well, here's the deal. Clearly, we came to the wrong address. I apologize for that. Okay.
I don't know what North. Right, but I'm talking about in this situation.
Okay.
I don't apologize. I don't know what a 14-year-old boy is. I told you that multiple times, and since y'all are investigating, I have my degree in criminal justice, so I know about investigation 101. I actually am master's
this is-
educated.
this-
I'm actually starting
okay.
a doctorate this fall, and I just got my intelligence insulted because I said y'all are violating basic rights right
we're
now.
not violating. We got called here, so we have a
You
right
didn't
to
get
be
called
here.
here because everything you're
We
asking
did.
me has
North
nothing to do
Bay.
with
okay.
here.
Okay, I'm explaining to you. So if you're not that person and your children are fine and your wife is not
I
having a
told
mental
you that.
breakdown, then I'm going to leave. Okay.
Right, and I explained that.
But you were
But you
talking
can-
over us and you're
you
not
can
letting
see-
us speak.
but I did,
Okay.
I did.
I'm gonna leave now because clearly this isn't you're not understanding.
Right, I could have left too, but
Okay.
I told you I was trying to help, and I am understanding, but I don't think you
You
understand.
have not tried to understand. You yelled at us this whole time.
No, I didn't. I yelled at you after he raised his voice at me. Your partner raised his voice at me.
Okay, and I apologize for that, and I will talk to him.
All right, so you apologize for it. So you recognize he raised his voice at me.
I
so you
recognize
saying
it.
I talked over you and yelled? He did.
You're still not. You're
You're
still
supposed to be
talking
the
over me.
professional.
Okay.
I'm supposed to be the civilian, right? You're supposed to be the professional. I don't have to be professional because I don't have on that uniform, but you do. If I
Well, you have years of military.
I said 9, so let's get it right, not 10.
I said
9.
years.
Okay.
You have years.
But
so then you
listen,
should be able to talk to us professionally.
and that's what I told you. That's why I identified myself. But you started, him, you were standing here, him and y'all were talking to me like I was some kind of like, boy, but you're knocking on my window. You wasn't.
Because
this
we're here
escalated,
not
but
for
knocking
you.
on my
We're
window.
not here for you. We're here to check on a woman.
But-
there was a woman there with a child.
But obvious-
I don't know the child's name.
But
You're not explaining to us.
But obviously, you could talk to me and get the information.
Okay, and we were trying to, but
No, you weren't. You was doing what you wanted to do.
okay.
And he
All
said
right.
he fucked up. He came back on the tape and he said, okay, dude, I messed up. Yeah.
Okay. So
Y'all want me to like quote what statute you guys are violating? I'm not one of those people, but I'm pretty sure I can go on Google and see if
we
this
have
is
every
legal
right
what
to be
you
here
did.
to check on somebody, and you have the right to Google us and make sure.
So you have the right to be here and check on somebody, right?
Yes.
Did I have to come out my door?
You did not. We needed
Exactly.
to come check on the female. Okay, I'm
And I
leaving
told
now,
you-
sir.
I gave you an instruction.
Okay.
To bring my window, but you did.
Have a good night, sir.
The soldier vowed to file multiple formal complaints and consult legal experts to ensure accountability for the officer's misconduct. Under California Civil Code, Section 52.1, Bain Act, individuals have the right to seek civil penalties for violations of constitutional rights by law enforcement. The soldier's determination to stand firm and assert his rights exemplified resilience in the face of profiling and intimidation tactics. Following this incident, Officer Marler was fired from the North Bay Police Department for his unprofessional conduct. However, he has since been hired by the Willits Police Department, as confirmed by their social media announcement. The soldier's story serves as a reminder that even when accountability is achieved, systemic issues in law enforcement allow problematic officers to find new positions, often without addressing the root causes of misconduct. Like and subscribe for more police cam stories. Watch the next recommended video. Click to watch now.